Or movies we have when Ella was younger too, was a very quiet plan.
Yep. What's that baby getting you, Kaya? She'll lay down pretty soon so he can reach her.
She don't have to really bend down all that much though.
Nope. Get him, Kaya. Get him. Get him, Kaya.
This place rough. I wonder if I can find that one picture on Facebook. The background picture on my laptop, Ella had, or Whitten has Ella pinned down on the ground, and Whitten's entire mouth is wrapped around Ella's snout.
Oh, I saw that one.
Oh, did I put it on Facebook?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, oh gosh. And that's been a while. That was like a day or two after we got Whitten.
I was like, yay, they brought me a toy. Oh, don't you want to play? Get in there.
She's like, I'm tired now. Are you tired?
Oh, she stomped him to the ground. She's like, I'm sorry.
It's okay.